Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make and assemble this happy birthday card from Cricut Design Space. You can find this birthday card project in Cricut Design Space named Happy Birthday to You card. First, I'll be changing the colors more to my liking. I'm also going to change the blues so that there are less colors to cut by using the color sync option. I'll be choosing my material as medium cardstock, and then here you'll see the scoring wheel is needed as well. I don't have the actual scoring wheel, so I'm going to switch the tool to my scoring stylus instead. You can see my scoring stylus is in the place where you can also put pens. I'll start by putting together the happy birthday sign. There are a few tiny pieces, so you'll need to be careful when you're pulling them off the mat. You can also use tweezers to help you place them. Now we will put the rest of the card together. To attach the Happy Birthday to You sign, I'll use foam tape to give it a nice dimensional look. To make the envelope, I'm going to first fold all the score lines with this old Cricut bone folder I have, but you can use whatever you have available, even your scraper. I use double-sided tape to attach the folds together. Now you have a happy birthday card. I like to make these for fun and have a stash of cards ready to go. If there's a card you want to see me make from Cricut Design Space, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.